never hold anyone responsible for your life's circumstances. Decent individuals bring you joy, challenging ones provide valuable experiences, those who test you teach you important lessons, and the exceptional ones gift you cherished memories. Often we're disappointed by those we trust the most, yet find unexpected love from unexpected sources. Some may bring tears for perceived wrongs, while others overlook our flaws and see only our smiles. Certain individuals may abandon us when we need them most, while others stand by our side even when we request their departure. Our world is a diverse blend of people. We must discern whom to welcome warmly and whom to grasp firmly. Ultimately, this is life, learning to hold on and learning to let go. Only those who genuinely care about you can sense your silent struggles, and that resonates profoundly.